Hello everyone, I'm Frank Lee. Today I want to introduce our company to everyone, to every my friends. Some customers like to know, like to see the real company video. So today I will follow me. I will introduce our company, Taian High Science Machinery. Our company is a manufacturer of diamond cutting wire repair machine. Okay, follow me. Here is our reception area. That is our certification. Now here is our office. Every different department. Uh, that is our tech department. This is our meeting room, and that is our my office international department. Here is the photo our agent from UK and Germany and many company. Here is our the wall of birthday department birthday party. Okay, draw it. Here is our general manager office. That is the word, the photos of our customer from every from many country. You can see we the customer for different model machine, the vertical machine, the horizontal machine from New Zealand, from Holland, from Kosovo, from different country. That is our culture for different action. Okay, draw it. Okay, that's all. Next station, we will go to our factory. Hello, behind of me is our new diamond cutting wire repair machine DCM32PS. You can see the machine is very beautiful and has more additional functions. Okay, now we go outside to show our building. That is the building is belong to our company. No, it's the winter. It's very cold now. We are manufacturing of very equipment, very repair machine. We are professional factory. If you have a content, you can ask me and our workmate. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our machine, you can cooperate with us. Thank you very much.